right, so now we are looking at, I want to say part C, but it's not on your lab like that. But we're looking at the conductivity when aqueous, okay? So aqueous means in like a liquid form, okay? So it's dissolved in the water. And conductivity is, we're just kind of looking at the degree to which a specified material conducts electricity, okay? So it's kind of calculated as a ratio of the current density in the material to the electric field that causes the flow of the current. So in other words, like the measure of the ease at which an electric charge or heat can pass through a material, okay? So that's probably in its simplest form. So some of these will allow a current to flow, okay, because they'll release the electrons and the electrons will continue to flow. Some of them will not because they will not release their electrons, okay? So how do we do this is we have a little handheld device here, and we press the button when we put this little piece in the water, and if electricity allows for a current to go, like so by pressing this button, you should remember this from last year, electricity, it will be a closed current, okay? So the liquid here will be part of that current, okay? So if it's conductive, the light will go on because it's allowing electrons to flow through the liquid and continue in that current. If it doesn't allow electricity or electrons to flow, then the light won't go on because it's not a closed, it would be an open current because the liquid would be the one that's open. It won't let the current continue, okay? So that would be a stop in the current. Okay, so we're looking right now, first one we're going to look at, that's on your sheet, is sodium chloride. So put it in. Sometimes these lights, you got to hold it for a little bit. Sometimes it takes a little bit depending on, okay, so that one lit up, okay? So sodium chloride lit up. Let me just wipe off the bottom of this. I would have reminded you this if you were doing this in class, just so that you don't carry the solution to the next one. Okay, next one we're testing is sugar. Sugar does not light up, okay? Clean that one off. Okay, next one we're going to go to is this is now zinc sulfate. I was going to say sulfide, but it's sulfate. This one is zinc sulfate. Hold it for a bit. That one did light up, okay? And then the last one we're looking at here is your citric acid. Okay, and that one did not light up, okay? All right, so fill in your chart there, and you're done with the conductivity.